In honor of St. Patrick's Day, I thought I would combine two great things, beer and baked goods, into one amazing treat. I give you Stout Brownies. So let's get into the video. These brownies turned out amazing. The stout adds to the creamy body and the rich texture. The brownies themselves have a cakey exterior and a gooey center. I think they get better the day after baking, as all the flavors and textures have been able to blend into something wonderful. And with that, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.